Using Salesmate CRM involves a series of steps to manage customer relationships and sales processes efficiently. Here's a concise guide on how to use Salesmate CRM. Sign up and log in. Visit the Salesmate website and sign up for an account. Log in with your credentials. Set up your account. Customize your account by navigating to the Settings section. Here, you can configure company details, user roles, and permissions. Import data. Import existing contacts, leads, and accounts. Go to Settings, Data Import, and follow the steps to upload data from CSV files or other CRMs. Create leads and contacts. Add new leads manually by clicking on the Leads module and selecting Add Lead. Fill in the necessary details and save. Similarly, add contacts by navigating to the Contacts module and selecting Add Contact. Manage deals and pipelines. Track sales opportunities under the Deals module. Create new deals, assign them to contacts or accounts, and move them through different stages of your sales pipeline. Email integration. Integrate your email to send, receive, and track emails within Salesmate. Go to Settings, Email Settings to configure your email account. Schedule activities. Use the Activities module to schedule and track calls, meetings, and tasks. Link these activities to specific leads, contacts, or deals for better tracking. Dashboards and reports. Customize your dashboard to display key metrics and insights. Use the Reports module to create detailed reports on sales performance, lead conversion, and other important metrics. Automation with workflows. Automate repetitive tasks by setting up workflows. Navigate to Settings, Workflow Automation to create workflows that trigger specific actions based on defined criteria. Mobile access. Download the Salesmate mobile app to access your CRM on the go. The app allows you to manage contacts, track activities, and view reports from your mobile device.